how to create a free wedding website. So I was able to create this amazing looking website for free without paying any money, and then in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can also do the exact same thing. So let's get right into the content. I'm having a link of this website in the video description down below. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. What you have to do is to just come and then select website on the website type, okay, and then come and tell them something about your website. What you have to do is to simply come and then put in wedding website at the website category, okay, and then come down here where you have the website name. Come and put in the name that you prefer. I'm going to call my website name Godwin Words Abigail, and then the description, come and write exactly what you want your website to look like, okay. So this is my description. This is exactly what I want it to look like. So if you are not sure of what to type, you can simply come and click on try some of our examples, and when you're ready, come and click on next step, okay. It is then going to bring you right here whereby you're going to register with your name. Your phone number is optional. You have to put in your email address here, then create a strong password, and then come and click on start my website, okay. So your website is going to be built just like this. As you can see, congratulations, your new website is ready. So simply come here and then come and click on start building your website, and you can then customize your website to look exactly how you want it, okay. So this is how the website is. We have to customize it, change some of the pictures and everything to look exactly how we want it. So over here from the top, you can switch to any of the views. We have the desktop mode, the tablet, and then the mobile. So let's click on the mobile, and then this is how your website is going to look like on the mobile view, okay. So you can go through and then look at how it is going to look like on the mobile view, okay. So let's go back to the desktop mode and then select it, and then let's try and then customize our website, okay. So when you look at the side, the left sidebar, you can see that you have all these here that you can click on it and then edit it. Let's first edit our home page, okay. So simply come and then click on the edit, and then over here you can choose the image that you want to be set as your home page by clicking on the down arrow, and then you can upload your own image if you have some, or go to the image library and then choose from it, okay. So from the image library, you can simply come here to all and then click on the down arrow and then select wedding, okay. Select it, and then you are going to get wedding pictures. You can go through and then select the one that you want. So I'm going to go through and then select this one, okay. So when you select it, you see that it will be set as your home page image, okay. Beside that one too, let's come here to the about section, okay, and then we can simply go back to the page by simply coming to click on the back arrow, and then we can edit the rest. So let's go and then edit the about section. So we have done with the home page, and now we are at the about section, okay. So this is the about section. Let's go to the left sidebar and then come and click on the edit, and when you click on it, you can also change the image by clicking on the down arrow, and then you can come to the image library, and then over here come and type in wedding, and then wedding pictures are going to be shown, and then you can go through and then select the one that you want. So I'm simply going to go down and then select this ring, okay. So I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to be set for me. All that I have to do is to just come down here to where we have the save, and then come and click on the save, okay. And as you can see, it has been set for me. So let's come down and then let's change the other image within the about section, okay. So let's come down here and let's change this image, okay. So you can simply change it directly from the page by coming here to click on the edit, okay. So let's click on the edit, and then at the left sidebar you can come here and then come and choose the image that you want from the image library, and then simply come here and then come and select the wedding, and then I'm going to see wedding images. So I'm going to go through and then select this one and just come and click on the save, and then it has been saved and used as this image for me, okay. So beside that one too, you can come down here and then change the services as well. You can click on the edit button and you can edit anything. It is easy and then simple, okay. Beside that one too, you can also come and then edit the contact, and then you can come here and then even change the location, and then you can also come and then change the photos as well. So if you want to change or edit the photo, all that you have to do is to simply come down here Where we have the edit filter, and then just come in and click on edit filter, and then you can edit it. Okay, beside editing it, what you have to do is to simply come in and publish it by clicking on the down arrow. You can reset the changes or click on publish changes. Okay, so I'm simply going to click on publish, and then they are going to ask you, are you sure you want to publish it? And then come and click on the yes. And over here, what you have to do is to select a domain. Okay, you have to choose your own unique domain name. One thing is that for the domain, the available ones are not free. You have to pay for it. But if you want a free one, you can use their temporary subdomain, which is down here, and then you click on it and you can use it. Since it is a word, then you can simply use the available subdomain, and then you can share it with your loved ones. Okay, but if you want it to be professional, you can buy a domain for your wedding website. Okay, so we have successfully created and then customized our wedding. All that you have to do is to simply come and then copy your URL here and then share it to your loved ones. Okay, so when you log into your dashboard, you can edit it and then do anything that you want here. Okay, so from the settings, when you click on the down arrow, you can even like delete or duplicate your wedding websites and then do anything. Okay, beside that one too, if you want to purchase a domain, you can go to the domain and then you can purchase a domain, or you can even do a redirection and then use your own custom domain as well. So they always suggest some of the domains for you, just like this one, so you can purchase it and then you can upgrade the service as well. Okay, so this is how to create a free wedding website without paying any money. Like the video and then see you in my next video.